Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about constructor. Constructors are used to assign the predefined values to class members, and constructor will be executed automatically upon creating the object of a class. When we create object of a class in anonymous window, then constructor will be automatically executed. Next is there are some rules for creating constructor. First one is constructor name is same as class name. Constructor always defined with access specifier public. Means when we create constructor, their access specifier is always public. And next one, next rule is constructor does not return any value, and we can define one or more constructor in a class. Next is types of constructor. First one is non-parameterized constructor, and second one is parameterized constructor. Let's see example. Suppose here I am create constructor public, and name of constructor always same as class name. In this way we can create non-parameterized constructor. After that, second type is parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor used to collect the input values from the users. Here I am write integer a and integer b. In this way we can create parameterized constructor. In this way we can create constructor in Apex programming. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.